Anyway, that's my rant on why Asia is cheap, but it's not cheap. It's not cheap because everything is deceiving. You know, it's like it's calculated deception is what it is. You can get a whole glass of beer. It's only $3. But it costs 4 beers to get 1 beer. That's Asia. The picture, it's like, you know when you buy a tent on Amazon and they say it's a 6-person tent and they show 6 people in the tent and then you get the tent, but it can't even fit 2 people? You have to buy 6 beers in Asia to get 1 beer. So it's not a $2 beer, it's a $12 beer. Because the scale is all wrong. They don't tell you that it's only a 3-ounce beer. And the hotel room, they show that it's like there's a queen bed in the hotel room. But what they don't tell you is that it's not a queen bed that is standard in America. It's a queen bed in Asia. And a queen bed in Asia can't even fit 1 person. So your hotel room isn't even big enough for your luggage. You know, the scale on everything in Asia is just wrong and off. They'll show you 6 chicken wings. And then you order 6 chicken wings and you get 2 chicken wings. And then they say, that's the order. So now you have to buy 3 orders of chicken wings and it's more expensive than the US. Because you had to order it 3 times. I had enough of Asia, guys. He wants me to stop, I guess. I don't know. Now he's telling me to go. Okay. But, like, that's the scam. Is that they divide the cost by 3. You know, it's like buying a car. But if you buy the car that's in the catalog, it only comes with 1 tire. So you gotta multiply it by 4 because you can't drive a car with 1 tire. So Asia is like selling a car, but it's by the tire. If you actually want to have a dinner, you have to order 4. You have to order 4 quantities. I don't want 1 onion ring. I want 4 onion rings. So you got to multiply everything by 4. That's Asia. They divide it down to like the lowest denominator where it's unusable. And it's a joke. It's embarrassing for them. That's not how the world works. You don't buy a car by the tire, you buy a whole car. You don't buy a beer by the ounce, you buy a whole beer. They're selling a beer by the ounce to get you into the door. And then you order a beer, and it's like 1 little drop of beer. It's such a scam, guys. Don't fall for it. I'm getting pretty sick of their shenanigans. It's getting old. I ordered a beer, not an ounce of beer.